Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can remove contact from Messenger contact list. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Messenger. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of phone contacts. Click on that option, and here you can see the first option, upload contacts. Click on that, and then you need to click on turn off. Okay, then you need to click on manage contacts, and here you can see the option of delete all contacts. Click on that and delete your all contacts, and then you need to uninstall your account from Messenger and again install, or you can say login in your account again, and by this your contacts will be deleted. So this is the process by which you can delete contact from Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.